Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. It's Paul the Gardener and we're doing a quick review of the FISKARS XACT. It's a weed extractor. People that have trouble with the backs, or it's just a general easy tool to use to extract weeds from your lawn. So let's give it the once over and see how it works. To target the weed, you need to get that over the weed. So pop it on top like that, push down a bit more. Put your foot at that end, and it didn't work. Try again, and it still didn't work. Okay, as you'll see from my numerous failed attempts, I tried different angles, different types of weeds, not put my foot on the end of the peg, so to speak. I just couldn't seem to get on with it. There was some limited success, as you can see now. I got one and it is quite rewarding when you pull one out, as you can see, but I don't know, it's just tools not for me. Looking back on some of these video clips, it's clear to make out that it's just not actually closing the claw, so to speak, over the weed as you pull back. Whether there's a set angle you need to apply as you're pulling back on the stick, so to speak, maybe that's the trick. I don't know. Somebody can say, oh, I'm doing it wrong, whatever, but it's a load of rubbish. Right, as you can see from numerous attempts, I've done some close-ups. It's a load of rubbish. Maybe 5 out of 10 weeds are extracted. Just a simple case of putting that over the weed and then it grabs it, but it just slips off. I don't know. I just can't seem to get on with it. So, cost about 25 to 45 quid on eBay, I'd say. I won't bother. I'd dig them out with a knife. A lot easier, so not rubbish really. Don't waste your money. Right, thanks for watching, check out my other videos and see you later.